It's a 2006 Ford Fusion. Powerful and impactful, this Fusion delivers a commanding performance. It comes with all the amenities you need: AM/FM stereo radio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, power windows, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the Fusion, Car Connection writes, taking styling themes established by Ford's 427 concept car during the 2003 auto show season, the lines are handsome from every angle, but particularly so from the front, where the 3 bold chrome slats make up the grille, and the headlights manage the neat trick of being both somewhat rectangular and swooping up into each front fender. Built on tradition, built to last, Ford. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.